Okay guys, so today I will be teaching you how to draw. Okay, but before you start, there are things you need to know. Okay, so the first things you need to know before attempting to draw complex images or objects. Alright, so that's what we'll be talking about now. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. So number one, number one is this: learn to draw straight lines. Learn to draw straight lines. Okay, if you want to be good at drawing, you need to learn to draw straight lines, vertical line, horizontal lines, diagonal lines. Okay, so that's number one. Learn to draw vertical lines, horizontal and diagonal. You don't have to bother much whether you are drawing perfectly or not, but then you have to gain your confidence. Okay, so that's the first thing. Second, learn to draw oval shapes. Learn to draw oval shape. You drawing a perfect cycle might be quite difficult. Okay, just learn to draw oval shapes. Then thirdly, learn to draw 2D objects. Learn to draw 2D objects. After mastering that aspect, then you can proceed to drawing 3D objects. This will help you to boost your confidence, right? Okay, so let's do something. So just draw something like this. Draw something like this. You don't have to bother whether it's perfect or not. Just draw something like this. Okay, can you see I'm drawing? Can you see I'm drawing? So draw vertical lines. Vertical lines. Don't bother yourself much. Okay, then now oval shapes. Oval, can you see? Although it's looking almost perfect, but then that's not the goal. Okay, so just draw several of these shapes: vertical lines, horizontal lines, oval shapes, and then you'll be good. Alright, look at it very well. So you just need to do something like this, something close to this. Just practice to build your confidence. Alright, so I hope you find this helpful. Okay, so I will see you in the next video. If you're interested in learning how to draw, just give this video a like and then follow me for more. Alright guys, I will see you later. Right?